Good afternoon and welcome to Exo on the Couch. I'm David. Thank you very much for joining us. We have Marley with us today. Hi Marley, how are you going?
Hey David, hey everyone.
Great to have you with us. Marley has recently joined Exo Digital in a graduate position. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Marley, and how you came to be with us at Exo.
Yeah, of course. Well, I've been in the travel and tourism industry for the past 7.5 years. With COVID happening, obviously, there has been no travel for over a year now, nearly. So the industry, unfortunately, is at a bit of a standstill. So back in March 2020, when it all started, I decided to start having a look for a new passion and something that I wanted to do. And I was thinking about the parts of being a travel agent that I love the most, which was building itineraries and building dreams and holidays pretty much. And I thought, what else is there that I can do that I can see, I suppose, the product of what I've made. And yeah, that's when I started looking into web development. So I started doing a little bit of coding and stuff in my spare time. And then I was lucky enough to find a boot camp with the Wagon, which I did while I was still working full time. So then obviously as soon as saw this position and I had the opportunity to go for it, it's given me the opportunity to learn from experts and get my foot in the door. So super excited.
So how long was the course that you took?
6 months.
It was 6 months. Fantastic. Yeah. And so taking on a graduate position, how do you see that, apart from knowledge, how do you see that directing where you go in your future?
Basically getting my foot in the door in the industry, and the team here at Exo just seems so lovely. So I'll probably just be here forever.
That'd be great. We'd love to have you, and there's certainly more work in the pipeline. What's the type of work that you're doing with us at the moment? What are you engaged in?
So it's a full stack developer role. So we are working on a project called Stream Gear. So I'm doing both the front and back end. Basically working on server side with different algorithms, as well as working on the front end, so the way that it looks as well, and putting that onto the web basically.
Fantastic. And have you had any interaction with the client as well? Have you been able to speak to the client and get some feedback?
Yeah. We actually, on Friday, we did a showcase and went through with the client everything that's been done and got some feedback. And so now we're implementing the new changes this week.
Brilliant. Well, look, thank you very much for your time. We're absolutely thrilled to have you with us, and we hope that you will stay with us and that you can grow and get everything you want out of the role. So thank you for your time today.
Thanks, David. Bye.